Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to trim any YouTube video using YouTube editor. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to youtube.studio.com and just log in your account and go to the dashboard of your YouTube account. Then go to the YouTube video section on the left side, second option, and then select any video which you want to trim and go to the details of that video, go to the editor and the third option on the left, select that. Now you will see the video you have selected, and now suppose I want to trim a portion of the video and I want to trim it from the video. So I'll show you how to do it. First of all, you just drag that cursor here and put where you want to start the trim. For example, I want to start the trim at 1 minute and I want to end the trim at 1.30. So what I'll do, I'll go here in the timer and I'll put 1. That cursor automatically will go to 1. So that way you can precisely set from where you want to cut. Okay, then go to trim, then select split. Okay, now again you need to move that cursor and just go nearby 1.3. You can just do it by your mouse also, or if you want to do it precisely, you can go to the timer here, go and just set 1.30 and it will automatically be set. Now next thing you have to do is go to the blue bar you can see here, just select that and drag it to the right and just put it on that cursor and your work is done. Now the dark section you can see here, it will be deleted from your video, and these highlighted sections are there, it will remains. Okay, now go to the preview and just go to the save, and if you click the save button, your video is editing is finished. Now here two options Google has given. It has given two options, which first option which says you can keep both the version, like edited version and previous unedited version also. So both the versions you can shift anytime. Okay, and the second version is you can delete the previous version and keep the edited version. So it is as per you which version you wanted to keep. Okay, so I'll just keep both the versions and I'll save it. Now it is saving and the processing is started, and it will take some time to edit the video. So meanwhile the original video will be shown to the viewers. Okay, and if you want to keep only the edited version and you don't want the original version, then you can go on the three buttons here, and it's not popping up right now, but here you can go and just click on that, and there is an option there which says save as original, save as a new, sorry, save as a new. So that option will allow you to keep the edited version and delete the previous version. So like this way you can edit or trim the video. Okay, so if you like the video, please do like, say, share and subscribe the video. Thank you for watching.